visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. So, tignan po natin yung mga nangyayari sa paligid, no? I want you to know that this is a general reading. So, you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So, kung kailan nyo po ito mapanood, the reading is meant to find you. Now, the Three of Cups, the Four of Cups, and the Eight of Wands. Nako, ito yung mga promises na hindi natutupad. Whether ikaw itong nag-promise kay person or si person nag-promise sa'yo. Siyempre, when someone promised you, it's probably unexpected. Well, usually, pwedeng it's a surprise, so that's unexpected. Pwede rin namang ito'y winish mo, and then someone promised you, no, ito yung gusto ko, and then someone promised you na, okay, I'm gonna do this because yun yung gusto mong mangyari, yun yung gusto mong ma-achieve. But then again, what I am seeing in here is parang medyo nag-tumble down. Parang you lost the enthusiasm, no? Parang for you, word is cheap, no? With the Four of Cups, the Four of Swords, and the Two of Cups. So parang you lay low, no? Hindi mo na masyadong pinansin. It kind of make me feel that you're so excited with the Three of Cups because it felt like a celebration. But since it felt like this is verbal, parang habang papalapit yung situation, you feel a little uneasy or probably a little uncomfortable, because it seems like that your person seems to forget or parang hindi na nababanggit, hindi na parang nawawala yung essence of you ask for this, right? But then again, where is it right now? You're not seeing any updates, you're not seeing any parang clarifications. With the Witch of Pentacles and the Void. The Witch of Pentacles, this is more of stagnation. I feel like you're excited and ready not to harvest, achieve it, you prepared for it. With the Witch of Pentacles also, it felt like there's no movement. Kaya siguro medyo with the Four of Swords, medyo parang lumupaypay tayo. Hindi naman sa hindi na natin ina-expect. It's more of parang nawala yung enthusiasm, no? Let's clarify here with the Witch of Pentacles why it felt like stagnation. Because your heart is full of happiness when you heard it. Or even if not heard it, meron tayong expectations. So Witch of Pentacles is clarified with the Five of Cups and the King of Wands. These are all talks. Parang sa'yo ayaw mo munang isipin, ayaw mo munang ibigay, no? Yung sinasabi nating ayaw mo munang sabihin, ibigay yung 100% of it, 100% of your heart, probably kasi naibigay mo na. Kaso with the Void, yun yung sinasabi ko, you're ready to you're ready to embrace the changes. With the Ten of Pentacles and the Crown of Cups. Crown of Cups. It felt like the Crown of Cups is more of sabihin nating busyness. The Crown of Cups is also sabihin nating madami pang tinitignang anggulo. With the Ten of Pentacles, I feel like there is a bit of a challenge with the Ten of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles is clarified with the Eight of Cups and the Ace of Swords. Parang yung nag-promise din yata is nawalan ng interest, or parang either ayaw na lang niya gawin for the sake of siguro no, ito yung mga nasasabi natin na nasabi ko lang yon because I am happy, I am elated, pero I'm having I'm second guessing about my words. Hold up. With the Ace of Cups, the Star, and the Three of Swords. Well, it kind of make me feel na gusto sanang ibigay, no? Gusto sanang ibigay nung nag-promise. Pero kasi it felt like hindi niya hold ang mga bagay-bagay, no? Hindi niya hold yung buong scenario. Hindi niya hold ang kung pwede lang sana ina-snap, kung pwede lang sana yung sinabi niya is magkatotoo right there and then, no? Pero kasi marami itong process no? Parang it's either if this is a project, then probably it's the management. If this is a thing, no? It can be monetary wise, problema. Yes, you might gonna be heartbroken about this with the Five of Wands and the Justice. So, ang nakikita natin dito, chances are, meron kang competition The competition is probably also a person, pero not a third party from what I am seeing. It could be that there's other priorities for either the project to manifest, pero mangyayari naman siya. Parang medyo late lang, no? This is not a promise broken, but this is more of a promise that might going to happen in the divine timing. This is going to happen when the time, or the exact time when you need it the most, or the exact time where probably the universe orchestrated that this is the right time for you to handle everything. So sa nakikita natin, yes, you may got a little disappointed because you're expecting this on a specific time frame, pero you have to believe in the divine timing. You have to believe in the alignment and synchronicities. Soon you're going to realize that kaya pala nangyari yon, no? Kasi merong mas maganda, no? I feel like hindi natin makikita yung reason hangga't hindi pa natin nakikita hangga't hindi pa natin nako-cross yung bridge. Sa ating paningin, this is a broken promise, but then again, this is a promise na pwedeng sabihin nating niluluto. A promise na pwede nating sabihin na pinapahinog, no? Mangyayari but not on the time frame na pwedeng sinabi ni person. Pero totoo naman yung kay person, no? So maniwala tayo dun kay person, at meron lang talaga mga challenges na hindi natin nakikita behind closed doors or behind the curtain. Pero I think that your person is doing what they can, no? This is your reading, so let's check the zodiac sign. Pero bago po yan, I want you to know that kung kayo nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. And if you have some questions, no, please mag-reach out kayo. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question, take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now, let's check the zodiac sign. I'm seeing Libra, Leo. Libra is very dominant. Aquarius, Pisces. I'm seeing Scorpio. I'm seeing Gemini. Cancer is here. Taurus. I am seeing Aquarius. Yan, nasabi natin ng Aquarius, no? Gemini, nasabi din natin. Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aries. Ayan, so this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the